Welcome to this complete Shenzhen China guide. Nestled in the southeastern corner of China, Shenzhen is a bustling metropolis known as the global technology hub. From humble beginnings as a fishing village, it has transformed into an innovative city, setting the pace for technological advancements worldwide. Its vibrant energy and futuristic skyline tell a tale of progress and ambition. So, buckle up as we embark on a thrilling journey through the city of the future, Shenzhen. Our first stop is the Window of the World. Imagine a place where you can stroll from the Eiffel Tower to the pyramids of Egypt, then hop over to the Statue of Liberty, all within a few minutes. No, this isn't the latest teleportation technology, but Shenzhen's Window of the World, a unique theme park that hosts miniature replicas of famous global landmarks gathered from over 50 countries. This place isn't just about sightseeing though, it's a cultural melting pot where you can experience a myriad of international festivals and performances. So, if you're a globetrotter at heart, but short on time, this is your quick world tour. A visit to Window of the World, where you can see the entire globe in just a day. Next, we explore the splendid China Folk Village. This captivating enclave is a treasure trove of Chinese culture, encapsulating the rich diversity of this vast country within its borders. It's like stepping into a time machine, whisking you through centuries of history and tradition. From the distinct architectural styles of the Han, Manchu and Tibetan people, to the intricate water towns of the south, every inch of this village is a testament to Chinese ingenuity and craftsmanship. Here, you'll also witness spectacular performances bringing to life the folk tales and legends that have shaped China's cultural landscape. So, don your exploratory hats and let's delve into the labyrinth of Chinese heritage. Experience the rich tapestry of Chinese heritage at Splendid China Folk Village. Now we walk through the OCT Loft Creative Culture Park. A hub of creativity, OCT Loft is a place where art and culture intertwine in a harmonious dance. Here, every corner is a canvas, every wall a story. Imagine a world where creativity knows no bounds, where thoughts are transformed into tangible art. This is the reality at OCT Loft. The park is a treasure trove of art exhibitions, showcasing works from both local and international artists. Every creative space within this park pulsates with life, each one unique, yet tied together by a common thread of artistic expression. The vibe here is electric yet soothing, a testament to the transformative power of art. OCT Loft, a haven for art enthusiasts and creative souls. Now, let's discover the Dafen oil painting village. A place like no other, Dafen is a vibrant, bustling hub, teeming with talented local artists. Here you can wander through the maze of narrow streets, each one lined with studios and galleries, showcasing a stunning array of art. From traditional Chinese landscapes to modern pop art, the variety is simply staggering. It's not just about observation here, interaction is the key. Engage with the artists, watch them as they masterfully transform blank canvases into striking masterpieces. You might even get a chance to try your hand at painting. There's an infectious energy here, a unique experience that truly sets Dafen apart. Dafen, a splash of color and creativity in the heart of Shenzhen. Get ready for some fun as we visit Happy Valley Shenzhen. Nestled in the heart of this vibrant city, this amusement park is a whirlwind of adventure and excitement. From gravity-defying roller coasters that'll leave you breathless, to mysterious haunted houses that'll send shivers down your spine, there's something for everyone. And let's not forget the magical performances that sprinkle a little stardust on your day. The kiddies, too, have their own kingdom filled with rides and games that are just their size. And when hunger strikes, a smorgasbord of food stalls offer delicacies to satiate all taste buds. So strap in, hold tight, and let the adventure begin at Happy Valley, where fun and excitement await at every corner. Let's delve into history as we explore the Shenzhen Museum. This treasure trove of artifacts and exhibits provides a captivating journey through China's past. From ancient pottery to imperial robes, each item tells a fascinating tale of the country's vibrant history and diverse culture. The museum's wide-ranging exhibits don't just display artifacts, they narrate stories, sparking curiosity and inviting you to delve deeper. But it's not all about the past. The Shenzhen Museum also showcases the city's rapid transformation from a small fishing village to a bustling metropolis. It's an enlightening experience that offers valuable insights into the dramatic changes that have shaped modern China. the Shenzhen Museum, a glimpse into China's rich history and culture. Time for some relaxation as we hit Dameisha Beach. Picture this, a sprawling sandy oasis nestled in the heart of Shenzhen. This is Dameisha Beach, an urban sanctuary where the hustle and bustle of the city melt away into the rhythmic lull of the waves. Here you can partake in a plethora of water activities, from thrilling jet ski rides to serene sunset cruises. Or if you prefer, simply soak up the sun, sand beneath your toes, and let the world drift by. The serene environment is a soothing contrast to the city's energetic pace, offering a perfect blend of tranquility and leisure. So, whether you're a thrill seeker or a sunbather, Dameisha Beach has something for everyone. Dameisha Beach, where the city meets the sea. Next, we discover the green oasis of Lianhuashan Park. Nestled amidst the hustle and bustle of Shenzhen, this park is a tranquil gem teeming with lush greenery and shimmering lakes. It's not just a scenic beauty, it's a place where you can engage in a variety of recreational activities. From leisurely strolls along tree-lined pathways to invigorating jogs up its hilly terrains, there's something for everyone. Feel the cool breeze as you paddle a boat in the lake, or challenge yourself on the outdoor fitness equipment. And if you're up for a bit of a climb, the park's highest point offers a panoramic view of Shenzhen's skyline, Lianhuashan Park, a breath of fresh air in the bustling city. Now we tour the towering Ping and Finance Center. This majestic skyscraper, standing tall at 115 stories, is a testament to modern architecture. Its sleek, streamlined design is a sight to behold, a feat of engineering that challenges the sky itself. But it's not just about the exterior. Inside, it's a world unto itself, a buzzing hub of finance and commerce. As you ascend to the observation deck, the cityscape unfurls beneath you, a panoramic view of Shenzhen that's both breathtaking and humbling. From dawn's early light to the twinkling city lights at night, the view from this towering giant is nothing short of spectacular. Ping An Finance Center, touching the sky in Shenzhen. Get ready for some wildlife adventure as we visit the Shenzhen Safari Park. Nestled amidst the bustling city, this park is an oasis teeming with over 300 different species. It's a chance to marvel at the majestic lions, playful pandas, and colorful peacocks that call this place home. But it's not just about the animals, it's about the safari experience itself. Imagine cruising in an open-top vehicle with the cool breeze in your hair as you observe these beautiful creatures in their natural habitat. And let's not forget the park's tireless conservation efforts preserving wildlife for future generations. It's a testament to Shenzhen's commitment to balance urban development with nature conservation. Shenzhen Safari Park, where nature and city life coexist. Next, we explore the aquatic wonder of SeaWorld. Here you'll feel as if you've dived headlong into the deep blue sea without even getting your feet wet. Marvel at the vibrant marine life, from playful dolphins to majestic sharks, all within a stone's throw away. Exhibits range from the enchanting coral reef habitats to the mysterious abyss of the deep sea, each one a testament to the variety and beauty of our oceanic ecosystems. It's not just about sightseeing, though. SeaWorld also offers a wealth of educational opportunities. Learn about marine conservation, the importance of biodiversity, and even the science behind these amazing aquatic creatures. SeaWorld, where the ocean comes alive in Shenzhen. Now we walk around the buzzing Huaqiangbei electronics market. This is not merely a market, it's a phenomenon. A sprawling labyrinth of stalls and shops, each one a treasure trove of electronic wonders. From the latest smartphones and tablets to vintage radios and rare components, you can find it all here. The hustle is mesmerizing. Negotiations and transactions, a symphony of commerce in motion. It's a sensory overload of sights, sounds, and even smells. The aroma of freshly soldered circuit boards mingles with the scent of street food from nearby vendors. Shopping here is an experience like no other, a place where you can haggle over a drone, then grab a bite of local cuisine. Huaqiangbei, where technology meets tradition. Our final stop is the Minsk World Theme Park. This unique attraction is a testament to Shenzhen's vibrant and diverse entertainment scene. Here you'll find a decommissioned Soviet aircraft carrier, the Minsk, transformed into a maritime museum. Visitors can explore the ship's deck, view fighter jets, and even step inside the command center. The park also features a variety of exhibits showcasing naval history, along with interactive displays that offer a hands-on experience. But it's not all about the ship. The park is complete with amusement rides and performances, making it a fun-filled destination for all ages. So whether you're a history buff, a thrill seeker, or just looking for a unique experience, Minsk World has something for you. Minsk World, where history sails in the heart of Shenzhen. And that concludes our journey through the vibrant city of Shenzhen. From the awe-inspiring window of the world to the buzzing Huaqiangbei electronics market, each destination offers a unique slice of Shenzhen's charm. We've immersed ourselves in culture at the Splendid China Folk Village, taken a leisurely stroll through Lianhuashan Park, and marveled at the breathtaking view from the Ping An Finance Center. Shenzhen truly is a blend of tradition and innovation. We hope this guide inspires you to pack your bags and explore the wonders of Shenzhen. Until next time, safe travels.